Every journey begins with a single step, and sometimes that step takes you closer to the person you're meant to become.
Have you ever wondered where dreams truly begin?
Yes, it starts with the right school, a place that turns your dreams into its mission.
That's the place I want to be.
Here, every corner sparks possibility. Every door opens toward the future waiting to be claimed. Some arrive unsure, curious, not knowing yet what lies ahead. But the moment they step in, something shifts. To heal, to serve, to lead with care, these halls shape future professionals in nursing, pharmacy, physical therapy, radiologic technology, and medical technology. Engineering isn't just about solving problems. It's about creating solutions that change the world. Students design and build the future. Create, innovate, solve. Architecture to information technology fuels the future you'll help build. Hospitality is more than service. It's the art of making people feel at home. Culinary students carefully plate gourmet dishes in the kitchen with a chef instructor guiding them. From hotels and restaurants to the vibrant world of tourism, our students are trained to create unforgettable experiences that leave lasting impressions. In a world where business meets digital innovation, we empower students to lead with knowledge, create with confidence, and grow with purpose. Justice begins with knowledge and discipline. Our criminology students train to protect, serve, and uphold the law with honor. Whether protecting the community or shaping the next generation, these paths demand courage, compassion, and clarity of purpose. The journey ahead isn't just about selecting a program. It's about finding the place where you'll grow, learn, and become who you're meant to be. Each step through the campus reveals how we train the mind, the heart, and the hand to serve, to lead, and to become more.
This is where I begin to save lives.
This is where my journey begins.
From students to professionals, what emerges is not just a student, but a future professional prepared to inspire, to lead, and to make a difference. Your dream. Our mission.